Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon that is not showing in your taskbar. Either it could be a Windows 11 or Windows 10. It will work in both the windows. Like my Wi-Fi icon is shown in the taskbar, your Wi-Fi icon is not showing. So let's begin. You have to go to the search in the taskbar. After you go to search in the taskbar, you have to type here troubleshoot. After type troubleshoot, you will find above troubleshoot settings. You have to go to troubleshoot settings. You have to click on open here. After opening the troubleshoot settings, you have to go to other troubleshooters. After you click on other troubleshooters, then you have to go to the network and internet settings. You have to go to network and internet and click on run. After you click on run, troubleshoot setting will run. Like you can see, I have no issues, so it's showing like this. If you have any troubleshooting issues, it will show under this settings, then you can resolve from here only. But still your problem is not solved after doing this, then you can do this second option. Like I will show you, you have to go to the run window here. I have pressed Windows R to go to this particular pop-up window. Then you have to type here ncpa.cpl. After you type ncpa.cpl, you will be able to go to the network setting in your control panels. You have to click on OK here. Like you can see, I have connected to this particular Wi-Fi. You have to go to your particular Wi-Fi. You have to go and you will have to disable that setting for some second. After some second, you have to again enable it. This will resolve the problem. Like you can see, I have enabled it. By doing the same, your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.